Hello everyone, my name is Katia Garcia. Today I'm going to be talking about zinc finger protein 341. This gene provides instructions for making a transcription factor, which is a protein that attaches to specific regions of a DNA and helps control the activity of particular genes. Here, where the yellow arrow is pointing, that's where it's located at. The name is ZNF341, but the protein name is zinc finger protein 341. In this chart, you can see a comparison of the human DNA sequence conservations compared to other species. Here is the subcellular location, which is where the protein is located. It's located in the nucleus of the cell. A disease that is related to the protein is the hyper IgE recurrent infection syndrome 3. It affects the skin and the lungs, which is caused by STAT3 gene mutations. Here you can see the strengths and all the predictive functional patterns. In this chart, you can learn more about each one of them and their functions. Here's an example of one, which is VGLL3. It may act as a specific coactivator for the mammalian TEFs. Now we're going to go in this link that is going to take us to the protein structure. Here you can see the zinc finger protein structure and a 3D version. It's an alpha helix structure, and you can go up close and get a better look at it. And here's a summary of everything. Like we said before, the name is ZNF341. It's located in the long Q arm of the chromosome 20 at position 1122. Here is some of the health conditions that it can cause if there's any source of mutation. And here's the function of the protein, which is thought to regulate the activity of the SAAT1 and SAAT3 genes. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.